new idea. Adultery. I don't know what you're thinking of doing, but I'm gonna stop it right here. You know exactly what I'm thinking of doing, Eggman. My sin is about to be murdering you. Get away from me. Do you see what I've become? Do you see what I've created? I've turned the sky into a fuchsia Windows background. I killed the Deku tree back there. I am the egg cracker. Seems like your true sin is coveting my awesome swag. Damn it! I'll kill you. Wait, that's my gun. And now it's my gun. The sound effect on this gun isn't very edgy. Reference. Bingo. So many questions. A clone of yourself. Isn't that pretty cool? I made all of these because I want them to take over Apple. What are you watching, sir? It's the Incredible Hulk movie. I don't know what happened. There's demons in this. They've ruined everything in the 2022. The 2022 release is so shit. Gotta get a new movie for movie night, please. Oh my god, my mustache looks like fucking grass. Please give me some more mustache cream immediately. Yes, sir, more mustache. I'm gonna be the king of sin. It'll be me. No, we won't. What are you talking about? You stupid bitches. You really thought you were gonna get more 10 points than me? Do you know how many people have been killed? Hey, well, you know what they say. If you kill someone, you get all of their sin points. Yeah, duh, you idiot. That's what I just said. Yeah, so I'm gonna kill you. You're what? Wait a minute. I don't wanna die yet. Wait. Engaging sin-sucking mode. I'm gonna crack you wide open, you're dead. Alright, Omega, be ready to suck the sin out this boy. Engaging suck apparatus. Looks like we're in hell. That's right. Now we're gonna battle in hell. I have my hell spider. Do you see these people on the screen? These are all the people I've killed. Give us the rest of your sin. This is the coolest fucking moment of my afterlife. And I'm not gonna let you ruin it with your stupid egg-shaped dick. Listen to me. I am in no relationship. I am neither single or taken. I am a gamer and I am in hell. Do you understand me? I rule this land. Welcome to the casino, bitches. I want big slots, big numbers, big numbers, big numbers. If you live in Baltimore, fuck you. Where do we live? Of course, the ultimate evil in the world. Gambling. Bombs? I don't want that. They're yours, my friend. Here, hold Wow, if it isn't Rouge the Bat Shadow the Hedgehog. If it isn't gambling, the ultimate evil of the world, from what I've been told in my day. I'm gonna roll big numbers, baby. I'm playing at the poker table. I just lost $300,000, but it's okay because I won $700. Please don't form a gambling addiction. Don't be like me. It's over for me. And now it is over for you. We've acquired the sin of gambling. Any last words, Robotnik? I'm dying. Not the best choice of the last word. Oh, I'm sorry. Can I have the green one when you're done? Of course you can, Omega. Sweet. Shadow, the power, it's true. You can't rule over hell. You're not strong enough. That's why I built those robots. Oh, yeah? Well, watch this. I'm gonna do it anyway, and then you'll be all like... Because you'll be dead. And then you'll get to hell and look up and you wanna know what you'll see? My heels in your face. Yes, you're getting roasted, absolutely blasted, destroyed. You don't even know. Plus L, plus ratio. Jesus Christ, Shadow, what have you done? I went to go vote and I saw a person with Bowser's fat ass in line. You have some explaining to do. I don't think so, Eggman. You have to do what I say, or else you're under arrest. Eggman, egg face, egg poopy butt. You maybe that. Don't you ever fucking call me that ever again. I'll kill you. I'll kill you first. Sorry, Eggman, but new amendment. Die. You are a menace to the society. But one thing, Shadow, I rule hell. Not for long, you don't. Because I will have so much power. I will kill the devil myself and take his place. You never will do it. Watch me. Like this. Hey, what's up, motherfucker? Now we in the room. We need your help getting the upper hand in this election rigging thing. I don't care about the election because I'm gonna rule hell. What? Why would that make you not care about the election? Don't you fucking see? He's already deleted cryptocurrency. I can take hell right now because he did a good thing. Let me just go ahead and crack my knuckles, but that's not my— The timelines are converging just like I saw it. Die in the next 5 minutes.
Hang on, is this bad or good? I've lost track.
Fuck you, man! Shadow, wait! Something horrible's happening! Wait, what's going on, SPO? Wait, you're dead! The timelines are converging, Shadow, don't you see? This is just like that movie I saw, Avengers Endgame. And you're like Thanos. And you're the other half of the population that disappeared. Hello, Mr. President, or should I say, new dead body. New dead body? I don't know what the fuck is going on anymore. All I know is that there is no way you deserve to rule hell, man. Just another day, Shadow. Same day as usual. You ever get tired of losing? Do you ever get tired of complaining like a little bitch? Good comeback. 10 out of 10. I can see why you're king of hell, because you're so good at comebacks. Your timeline. So vitriolic, my feelings are so hurt, oh no. When I'm crying like a baby because of your die. I fucking hate you. I hate you with all of my— And you wanna know how much I care about that? Grand total of zilch, my mans. Time to become king of hell for real ski. This is fucked up. I hate this. Why has this happened so many times? Every rib in my ribcage is broken. Any last words, Eggman? Oh, you know it's not really your last words. I'm just messing with you. But I want to see the life leave your eyes one last time. So say your last pathetic words. The president will take their seat back. Okay, what cool fucking shit. Jesus Christ, watch out for that son of a bitch. The dust. The dust. Jesus Christ, parasocial. You need to log off. Jesus Christ, why would my dad do that? Yeah. Ayo, is that— why am I— you're not gonna hit that, right? You're not gonna hit that. I'm just gonna blast it out of the sky. Watch this. You're gonna get this. My super duper laser. Put it back. Put it back. Get that shit out of here. I didn't say it. Fuck. Pass. Jesus, now never ask me to make a reference ever again. Oh my fucking knees. Eggman, will you say it? Will you say it again? Eggman, come here. Say it. I'm gonna give you a Twitter mention. Say it.
Get the fuck away from me.